Big up Crosses TV.
I'll be across the job over your master.
Totally crosses TV. Big up yourself.
They think I'm stupid. I'm going to end up being the monkey around here. I'm going to be the monkey that get a lot of money, huh? A lot of money to clash with people. So for every show you do, Amari must come out like a mad woman, take off our shoes, you pull off my hair. Did I sign up for that? Fuck you, bitch. Did I sign up for that? No. Amari know that she have over 88 songs, and Amari know that this shit could kill my career. So in every show now, I would have to plan with Queenie, or we so good that we don't have to plan nothing. Cause trust me, Queenie know what we didn't plan it, but that's why I like her. She know what moves to make. Okay, Amari, take off your wedding dress. Take off Amari wig. I make the thing nice. That's why I like her. She's so excited. Yeah, exciting. I said it before, but wow, of course, me and Queenie could do that the right way. But guess what? You still causing war in the camp, bro. First of all, it's gonna be like, how much did Amari get paid? May I have to make sure I get the same as her. Or no, if me and Queenie, first of all, if we should go about clashing, it's something we have to agree to. Her management team, my management team. Security guards have to fucking know, don't ill-treat Amari if Amari is gonna come off as the aggressor. You all want to set me up. Maybe the next clash that we do, everybody except the crowd and the security guards don't know. They don't know that it's a clash, and next thing they get shot. No FD. Mari not gonna die like that. Because, for example, RT party. I seriously want to go there and box L.A. Lewis with a pad. I so want to fuck him up. And I want to do it so badly, I was going to tell RT, let me and LA clash on stage. Because I seriously want to fuck him up. But what? What if his entourage don't know that it's a clash, but because I'm a realist, I'm still playing out my frustration and I seriously want to clash him. They could end up shooting me at RT party. So people gotta be in agreement. But like I say, I don't want to end up being the monkey where I could run with this for a couple months, because in real life, I'm the aggressor. But there gotta be some agreement. Queenie team gotta say, listen, Amari, you and Queenie are on the place right now. So we gonna book shows for you and Queenie. They call Queenie, we're gonna put you on board too. And we're gonna agree for $5,000 for each of you. There gotta be agreement. How the fuck we both gonna make money when we don't even talk? If Queenie was smart, the first thing Queenie would have done, get in touch with Amari and say, Mari, we may not say eye to eye, but in our real life, me's the sweetest person. Samari, area. Right you know, me know about the parties, may I step out and give them Mari number or tell them link Mari here where she say, your team supposed to contact me and say, listen, them people here want team say, them contact, they said, some shows Queenie going to right now, they asking for Amari. That's one of the reasons Queenie big up Amari. Don't think Queenie don't miss the zest that Amari bring to everything. She miss me. I'm her twin right now in dancehall. Queenie miss me. Trust me. Queenie is strong, but Queenie is stronger when I'm around. What you got to do is tell your management team, contact me. You got to have some sort of friendship with me. Where you say, Amari, where you wear to the clash? Blue? Alright, me I go wear red. You get what I'm saying? We gotta have, it can't be like a Sikka rhyme things, where Sikka rhyme put up my video, but everybody can post it on YouTube except me. And him a go put up my video and say, me and Queenie at war, and him know about the war and me don't know about it. You get me? So the team, if we are smart Jamaicans, we got to sit at the table. And if we sit at the table and really work this out, we could run all summer. We could run dance all this summer. And it will be huge. Because if I feel like whatever I feel, I still gonna put it out there. I'm the jealous bitch that I don't have a man, I'm not married. I'm still gonna show my frustration. But Queenie, we gotta talk. It don't work like this. And we gotta agree on prices. Because nobody should get more than the other. And just like the last time, if we had been in agreement, things would have worked out better. Because I told your camp to make sure you get your plane ticket, make sure you get paid. And I said we have to stick together to make sure that we're treated accordingly. But you run off and leave me. Queenie, don't work like that. Think, Queenie. We got to have some form of union while still living our separate lives. Unity is strength. You get what I'm saying? Because you're showing support for me, but you still have yet to talk to Amari. So think about it. Now, I was telling you all about Sikka Rams with his age self going around telling people that he have diabetes. The time you're exposing my daughter voice notes or text, you need to expose yourself. Because ain't no young dude around here talking about they have diabetes. That's why they sick every day. Just tell the world that you have AIDS and done. Magic Johnson do it, so why can't you? You understand? So you really thought you done me. You didn't think I would come here, right? You didn't think I would come here. You can't done me, Sikka Rhymes, because right now you're on decline. Ain't nobody fuck with you, cause you ain't no good. And you know, I'm starting to realize, like, what was I doing with this nobody? You know, when the mask moved from over your face, and you realize somebody who was pretending to be a somebody ain't nobody. You ain't shit, dude. You ain't shit. Even Dewey gonna end up being a bigger producer than you. Because that's something Dewey should look into. Ian Queenie producing the youths in Jamaica. Because she seems to have a tight rap with them. It would be good to help give them a break. And I don't think she would think twice about that. But the way that you could include Dewey, Queenie, so he don't feel left out is letting him produce some guys and get a label, start a label, and keep him occupied. You know, because it's not that he's jealous. Men tend to feel intimidated at times. You get what I'm saying? So I gotta go because I already spoke in the first show. I know some evil people gonna take the first part of the show and run with it, you know, but we know that in the end that I want to see the things I want. I want Dewey and Queenie to be together. You understand? Tighter than ever. You understand? I would like for Queenie and Dewey to leave Jamaica in a respectful manner. You understand? And I would like Dewey, no extension. No extension. You want to go back to Jamaica, go back another time. If your wife is going back home, you need to find your ass home too. You understand? And number 3, Dewey, take time with Queenie. Not because she give you an inch mean you take a yard. Just show her some more love online. Don't be like, what's her name? Jay-Z and Beyonce. They don't show no form of love online. You have to wonder if this thing real or what. You know, show her how much you love her. Right now, she needs your love. I know what it is like to be at the top of the pinnacle. And don't tell yourself that she's not at the top. She's feeling on top of the world right now. Do you know what it's like to get a blue tick? You get up the next day, you don't want to curse. You understand? That's one of the reasons for her being calm. She don't want to lose this. You understand? And Sikka Rhymes, you ain't got nothing on her. Because if she used to be a shoplifter, but she wants to make a living right now, I'm so proud of you, girl. Go for it. Go monetize your YouTube and go get your blue tick, girl. And go do your shows. Don't do too much free shows. They'll take you for granted, but I know you're smarter than that. And like I say, you want Amari to step out with you and nice up the place, you got to be in touch with me. Not just your team, because if your team is in touch with me and you're not in touch with me, it don't work like that. You understand what I'm saying? All right. The other thing that we want around here is Queenie, think about reels. That makes a lot of money. It brings in a lot of money for me. You know, you can go to the store, you know, and do it pushing the cart. Do a reel, man, and show him pushing the cart and things. You could be a millionaire. You were born to be a rich woman. And people want you to think that Dewey is here to slow you down. No. God sent him as your helper. That is your helping spirit that have come to see you through. Don't take it for granted. You not gonna miss him till he's gone. He's not gonna miss you till you're gone. So it's best to just say, none of not gonna work. Just try to make the thing work, man. I gone back. You know some my crab spirit, Cancerian. I gone back in my shell. Beautiful people, I know you miss me. I miss you too. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my reels. Thank you so much for my income on Monday. Trust me. Just now, I didn't even know where to find $1. $1. 3 grandkids without Pampers. And David sent me some money. I want to thank you, David. I want to thank you, Anwar, for paying for my hotel and for everything. I want to thank you, Mike, for paying for my luggage so that I could come back to America. And thumbs down to EVDU. The evil you do, gonna come back to haunt you. And you know what I want to thank God for? My God, I thought that this guy was a somebody. God said I must talk about it, but it's okay. Mommy, I love you. Sikka Rhymes' mother, I love you. I know that you know his evil, dirty ways. Pray for your son, Mommy, because he really don't realize what he had the other day. The guy had one of the most prospective, successful artists ever. But you ain't gonna miss me till I'm gone. And I've been gone over a week now. I'm not looking back at sick promotions. Don't you see the way Amari dress, the way I walk, the way I talk, celebrity style? You ain't gonna find nobody else like me. No use your fish around. You can stop fishing. And everybody be careful of Sikka Rhymes when he come fishing around for you. Cause guess what? He's no good whatsoever. You understand? Be careful of him. He'll take your music down. He'll make you think that your music don't belong to you. He'll have your possession in his care and dog you. And even think how to silence you. And just imagine, set you up at sting. He will set you up. He will try to destroy you because you're moving too fast. He don't want you to be bigger than him. Right now, he wants me to clash with him. Fuck you, bozo. Fuck you. I don't fuck with nobody but Queenie around here. Go suck my dick. Yeah.